bear market that Bitcoin has had that has followed Wyckoff to a T. And so on Wyckoff, we'd be getting gravitating right about to here to 25K. And we could go higher, but ultimately we're going to go to this point right here, 25K. And nothing is really like bullish on Bitcoin until we get weekly, daily closes above 25K. When we start getting daily closes above 25K, that is very, very bullish to me. And if we go over here on the last, this is why I'm going to give you guys the keys to the castle. So I'm going to tell you like how I come up with this kind of stuff. All right, this is like some gold gems right here. So make sure you're dropping that. So I use a hybrid of Wyckoff method along with Fibonacci retracements because everything is Fibonacci. Okay, so we had a huge parabolic run. Make sure you guys can see that. Yep. Okay, let me zoom in so it's nice and pretty. So this is the 2017 bull run for Bitcoin. Okay. We had a massive parabolic rise, crashed down 85%, just like we just had. Show you. 85% to the downside. 83.7. 87, right? And then everyone right here is crypto stupid. Crypto's dumb. Why would you be in crypto? Blah, blah, blah. This is the bottom, the depths of the bottom. Everyone's saying it's going to go lower. It's going to go to 100. It's going to go to 0, right? It's okay. And then you fast forward. It's going to go to 12K. It's going to go to 10K, right? Same thing. Then you have an automatic rally, which for this was a 3X. Okay. And this goes somewhere between, the automatic rally goes somewhere between the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement and the 702. And look, if you zoom in here, it nails the 618 perfectly on the head. Okay? And before that, this is where I think we're at in the market right now. Okay, you guys? Right here, we just crashed all the way down after a huge crash. We had a huge crash, so let's move over here. I'm going to show you guys. Huge crash down, right? Trading sideways. We think, whew, that's it, right? Huge crash down. We think that's it. Whew. One more leg down. One more leg down. Trading sideways. Depths of despair. Depths of despair sideways. Crank right out of here. Back to the prior support, resistance. It was resistance. Now it is support. Okay. And then here we are right here, busting out of this range right here to this. We're going to probably get rejected off the 25K. Maybe we bust through it. Who knows? At the point where we're at right now, we just need to see how high it's going to range. But after that, we came back tested the prior resistance as support. So we came up, back tested the prior resistance as support. And I think that that is exactly what we are going to do. We'll probably come up here to 25K, roll back over, back test this prior resistance as support. This is Bitcoin. Let me just put a neckline. I have a buy order for 18, I think it's 18.7. So anywhere between 21 and then it could be as low as here. This is going to be a back test. So this is where I have mine. I have mine somewhere in here as a back test. And then we're going to go off and away to the 702 or the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which for Bitcoin right now is 39,000 as high as 49,000. This is going to happen, in my opinion, sometime in 2023. People are going to think that the bull market is back on. You're going to start seeing peak euphoria. Everyone on Twitter, they're going to be talking about rocket to Mars. And I'm going to say, no, thank you, my friend. I'm going to get back I'm going to take my stop here at the moon because it's going to come back down to earth. We're going to have some sort of black swan at the end of 2023, the beginning of 2024. This was COVID right here. This was the COVID black swan. But that in Wyckoff is what they call a spring, because you spring the hell out of here. This is your last time to get life-changing entry points. So for me, how I'll be playing this, I'm not telling you what to do, but how I'll be playing this is I'm going to get one more little buy and heavy dollar cost averaging in addition to what I already have been doing, about 20 to 17,000 Bitcoin. Whatever, anywhere in there is good with me. And then when we get to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement at 40,000 is where I will be de-risking almost everything, because Bitcoin is the entire market. Whatever Bitcoin doing, guess what? Everything else is doing. I can eeny, meeny, miny, moe a chart, and I bet you see something similar to this. So that is where I'll be de-risking almost everything. At least probably 30% of my portfolio I'll be getting rid of into USDC, waiting for the spring into the next bull market. Because this is what I said the last time. Just because the bottom is in, and I'm telling you now, the bottom is in, my friends. The bottom is in. But just because the bottom is in doesn't mean the bull market is on. Okay? We're not going to make new all-time highs anytime soon, in my opinion. But there's still definitely profits to be made. And the question is, when Bitcoin is rallying up to the 0.5 or to the 702, what are the altcoins doing? So that is the question that remains to be seen. Now that is macro picture. This isn't going to happen overnight. We could range right in here for a good while. And right now we're kind of in, I don't want to say no man's land, but we need to see where this move is going to finish before any plays. But I have a buy order in at 18.7. I think it's 18.7 for Bitcoin. And I'll be dollar cost averaging heavy in addition to that. I'm not telling you guys what you should do. None of this is financial advice, but this is the keys of the castle. In my opinion, this is my analysis of the market, where I think we're heading. And with that, let's get into your guys' coins. And we'll do some price predictions. But I'm telling you right now, if you see Bitcoin in 2023 at 39, 38,000, 35,000, that's your cue. It's time to start de-risking. Okay? That is my forewarning. You can't hear me? Damn. Can you guys hear me? All right. Let's get, so we got Telcoin. We'll do that. Telcoin. What could we buy now at 22.8? Make profits on the way. It's tough because we got macro. There's a lot of earnings coming out, and we're heading into the new moon, which is typically the tops of markets. Okay, so to me, it's kind of no man's land. It's like we could go up or we could go down. It's in a range, and that to me is not a good place to make a play other than your normal, regular dollar cost averaging. Jasmy. Talk about Jasmy. I got you. We'll talk about it. Optos. I got you. G-Rod. One of the OGs. Are we on the cat bounce that you mentioned a couple of months ago? We're working our way, okay? This is working our way out of this range right here. We need to see what it's going to do, because it could go up as high as, 26, 27. It could just range right here. We need to see what it's going to do, in my opinion. This is kind of no man's land, in my opinion. But the next move is going to be to back test all of this. Now, it could be Like we work all the way out of here to this range and then back test 25. So that's why we need to see what's going to happen. But macro, that is where we're at. We are working our way out of here, getting ready to rally on the 0.5 retracement for Bitcoin at a minimum. It could go as high as the 702. When it starts getting like that, I'm telling you guys right now, you're going to see it on Twitter. You're going to see it everywhere. People are going to be like, the Bitcoin crypto is back, baby, to Mars, all that. I'm telling you right now. That is not the case, not yet. All right. DG says, I think we go to 40 to 45 and then back. Black Swan event, very possible. Yeah, I can see that. I can, yeah. He says, thank you. Oops, my bad. I meant to say thank you to Ski. Hey, we can thank everybody. DGB, I got you. How much will GRT pull back if we go back to 17, 18K? I'll take a look at it. The altcoins that are like not major top 20, it's hard to measure how far they're gonna pull back though. All right, let's do this. Telcoin number 1. Telcoin. Automatic rally. Right here, huge cluster of trading. And right in confluence with the 200-week moving average. Current price of 0025. Automatic rally would be 0052. The yin and the yang. 77% to the upside. If this thing just wants to retrace, 2.3 cents. The maximum retracement level, 4.1 cents, which again, 90% of all cryptocurrencies will not make new all-time highs, so make sure you're taking profit along the way. The maximum parabolic for Telcoin in 2025 would be 21.1 cents. All right. Jasmine is next. Jasmine. I thought I just did Jasmine. I did. Getting across to the downside on the daily, on the RSI. On the RSI, on the weekly, though, still way in the depths of despair. Could go a lot higher on that. So, definitely, probably a automatic rally in order sometime between February, April on this thing, which would be 2.1 cents. Current price of 005. Retracement level, 90% of all the coins are only going to retrace. Make sure you're taking profit along the way. 9.4 cents. Maximum retracement level would be 13.1 cents. If Jasmine wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction is 66 cents. Again, one person is going to catch the top. I hope it's you. I hope that it is you. But make sure you're taking profit just in case it's not. All right. Algo. Got you, my friend. Algo. SLP. Thanks for your finance video, even though I couldn't make out half of what you were saying. I'll do urine again. We'll do urine finance. It will be haha. Yeah. Thanks, man. NKN. Yeah, sorry. I'm experimenting with AI as far as like cutting out fillers and like and just pauses. So I'm trying to just have the most high quality content at volume that I possibly can. And so I was using this app, and it cuts out too much stuff. I don't think I'm going to use it anymore. APT. All right. That beautiful W. Okay. Not too much trading data on this. But that's a gorgeous W if I ever saw one. I missed the hit the like button, you savages. Sorry, did I miss GRT? No, you didn't. GRT will be after DG. You're in the hole, my friend. DGB is on deck, and you're in the hole. All right, because I'm trying to go in order. All right, so not a lot of trading data. You really like to see at least a year of trading data. This thing was made in the... I guess it was made in the bull market. That's interesting. Well, it's kind of already like starting to leg down. 68% of the downside. Already at the 1618. If you were accumulating down here on this is a parabolic level that we're already getting to. Okay? The 1618 is a common place to get stopped out at. It doesn't mean that it's going to. It could keep running. For sure, because there's not a lot of chart data. I would say that the max that this thing will go to is $28. 14. It's at 14 right now. Already had a huge parabolic run. 4x. But again, there's not a lot of data on this thing, so it could go higher. It's hard to judge when you don't have more than a year of data. So I'm going to put that $28. All right. And now DGB is up next. GRT is on deck. Algo is in the hole. DGB. If you guys become members, you guys will get priority as well as your custom emotes. I will be live streaming a lot more. I know I haven't been live streaming that much. Who in the world? Okay. Anyways. Sorry. DGB. But that's where most of my content is going to come from moving forward. Because I think it's the most efficient way to get the most high quality content out at volume. Okay, DGB. Getting automatic rally. Just put a little ray right here. 2 cents. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 8.6 cents. 11.9 cents would be the maximum retracement level. If DGB wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, 59 cents for DGB. Now downside. Should probably be looking to backtest this area right here. That'd be the downside potential, which would be 0085. Okay, up next, GRT. Algo's on deck. SLP in the hole. Let's see here. GRT. And I just did it. Didn't I just do this one? I thought I did it. Whatever. Yeah, so automatic rally, have it already marked out, 3 cents. But you want the downside reaccumulation. Yeah, it would probably be. So we broke out of this range right here. So it would be very healthy to come back and back test this right here at 7 cents. So anywhere between like 6.66 cents, and the high would be like 7.73. So anywhere between 8 cents and 6 cents, I think would be a place where it could come back and back test. Doesn't mean it needs to, though. Well, kind of, actually. It's very healthy to back test prior resistance as support. Hapa, I got you. All right. We'll give you the parabolic, because I think I just did it the other day, but we'll. 702, $1.88. That'd be the maximum retracement level. If she wants to go absolutely parabolic, $9.42. All right, Algo is next. SLP on deck. Yearn in the hole. Algo. Algo's in my top 10, y'all. Algo. Look at that. So busting through prior resistance. This would be the next point that we probably get rejected off of. 29 cents. This was great, by the way, on Algo. 63% to the upside. You love to see it. You love to see it. All right. Retracement level for Algo. $1.36. Maximum retracement level for Algo would be $1.85. If Algo wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction, ooh, look at that. $8.88. 8888888. 8888. All right, SLP next. Yearn on deck. And NKN in the hole. And then you're after that, my man. Hoppy is fourth from now. All right, let's see. What do we got? SLP. It's battling right now. This cluster of trading. You'd like to see some body daily closes above this little ray right here. You'd like to see that. That would be great if it could pop through there. Now, beyond that, automatic rally right here at 3.2 cents. If she just wants to retrace, which 90% of all cryptocurrencies are only going to retrace, I would definitely take profit here. 17.6 cents. The maximum retracement level for SLP, 24 cents. Kobe. If SLP wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction is $1.26. All right, yearn. I yearn for the next bull market. I yearn for the next bull market. I feel like I just did yearn. It's because I did. All right, so yearn is next. NKN on deck and Hoppy in the hole. All right. Automatic rally. What do we got here? 1413. That would be the automatic rally. 1400, call it. Good night, Charlene. Now, if Yearn just wants to retrace, huge cluster, like the neck right here. By the way, like look at all these touches. It's definitely going to get, even if it goes parabolic, it's going to get rejected off of this because of all of that, even back here. So this is like a huge level for Yearn, and it would definitely be a level that I would be taking profit. 34,000. Now, the minimum like retracement would be 42,000. I would take profit here. The 702 retracement on Yearn, $58,000. And if Yearn wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, 285,000. What project start DCA like a real early adopter? Sauce. Can you do CTI? I got you. CTI is in the hole. All right. Next is NKN. NKN. All right, right here would be the automatic rally. Current price of 10.6 cents. Automatic rally, 15.44 cents. I would de-risk a little bit there. If she just wants to retrace, 70 cents. The maximum retracement level would be 97 cents. I would definitely take profit here as well. If NKN wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction is $4.72. Again, make sure you DCA in, DCA out. Pay attention to everybody around you. And do the opposite. What can we buy now at 22.8 and make profits on the way of 25? That's tough, man, because we're in a range and we're transitioning into a different market. Or not a different market, but a different energy of the market. Are you doing charts on H-bar? I certainly can. So in my opinion, like the profits were really made, like let's say on Bitcoin or whatever, Ethereum even, whatever, X coin. XRP like has potential because it hasn't had a huge move, but most of the profits were made already down here in this level. You know what I mean? Even if you got this wick right here, that's 27% to the upside. That's a lot of the move already. So in my opinion, right now, the best move is to continue to dollar cost average. Continue to dollar cost average. Wait for the next pullback. And that would be the setup, because it's a risk to reward game as far as that goes. And for Bitcoin to go from 23 to 25K, you're chasing another 5%. You're chasing another 5%. But your downside is a lot higher. So the move, in my opinion, damn it. is to keep dollar cost averaging, wait for the next pullback, and then make a move. Wait for the 18.8 or the 19,000 or the 20,000 Bitcoin. That would be the move then. But right now, the move is to maintain your normal dollar cost average. We're in a what I would call like a limbo range. This is what they call in trading like the fool's money. So we're in between ranges, and we need to find where we're at. We already had a move, so now we need to see structurally what's the next move gonna be? What's the setup for the next move? But right now, for me, what I'm doing is I'm de-risking on stuff that I don't believe in for 5, 10, 20 years. If I'm up on that, that's a good place to de-risk. Beyond that, I'm just dollar cost averaging, waiting for the next setup. And that's it. Can stuff go up? Yeah, it can. Or can stuff go down? Like, yeah, it can. But the thing is, structurally, it's hard to tell what the next short-term play is. I can tell you, like, how the whole next year is going to play out. But short-term, we're in between. We're in a range right now. We need to figure out what that range is. Can you do Yearn Finance? I just did Yearn Finance. Yearn Finance, I forget what it was. I know the max was 285. I think 35,000 was like the retracement level, if I'm not mistaken. I didn't write down the retracement level. All right, next we got Hoppy is next. CTI is on deck. H-bar in the hole. Where's a good place to buy sauce? Does it have a wallet? Hashback is the wallet. That is Hedera's wallet. But saucerswap.finance, I have full videos on my YouTube on how to do liquidity mining, earning passive income on your crypto while you hold the keys via staking, via liquidity mining, and I go over SaucerSwap and Sauce and all that. So check that out. The link should be in my description, but it's on my YouTube channel. I have a whole playlist called SaucerSwap. So I go really in-depth on that, and I try to cover everything that I can cover. Excuse me. All right. Hoppy, because I know my man's been waiting. Ugh. All right. Again, we got to the automatic rally, back testing. So, like, this is what Bitcoin's going to do. This is like a precursor right here. Like, break its way out and then back test the prior resistance as support. So that's where we're gravitating down to this $15.46. If that holds, we'll see, but that's what it's gravitating towards right now. Busted out of the resistance, coming back testing it as support. The next move up would be to the 236. After that, we could trade sideways for a while, but $30.67 for that. Now, if she just wants to retrace, which 90% of all cryptocurrencies are only going to retrace, they will not make new all-time highs. If that is one of those coins, I hope it's not, but if it is, $59.50. The maximum retracement level would be $81.66, which from right here would be a 4X. That would take you 20 years in the stock market to get a 4X. The maximum parabolic 2025 price prediction for Hoppy is $395. All right. Next is CTI. H-bar is on deck. What did I say it was? I'm trying to keep record of these. Helps me post. CTI. CTI. Wow. Do you see how this is? this is an indicator to me that this will be on the other side of the 90%. When I say 90% of all cryptocurrencies are only going to make retracement levels, this thing only retraced. So I'm going to pull a fib off of this high right here for CTI. All right, automatic rally. We're getting pretty damn close there right now. That'd be 3.8 cents, excuse me, for the automatic rally. If she just wants to retrace, which she retraced last time on the Lambo wick on the 382, so I would make note of that as well. 14 cents. The maximum retracement level for this thing would be 27 cents. I would definitely get rid of most of my profit here because of how this thing structurally is. It could make new all-time highs, but the fact that it didn't over multiple bull and bear runs is an indicator to me. Now, if it does want to go to a new all-time high, the maximum parabolic level would be $1.41. I'm going to watch that video on YouTube. Sauce, baby. That's what it's all about. It's all about the passive income. I put $2,000 in, and I'm pretty sure I have like $3,000, and it's been like 40 days. Let's see. This is my social media profile. So there you go. I put 2,000 of my own dollars in, and we have 2,600 staked currently. There is 172 in my wallet from rewards, and I have all these unclaimed rewards as well. So you could call it 2,800. $800 profit passively on Saucer Swap. You love to see it. So yeah, check out that video. I made many videos. I did the 30 days. I have the start to finish. The whole playlist is on there. There's been a couple updates, all of that. Shiba. I know. I do need to hire a secretary. I do need to hire a secretary. Listen, you guys. I promise you. Once I start like making full-time income from content creation, I am hiring as many people as I possibly can to make it better, faster, more efficient, better likes, better video, all of that. I'm hiring as many people as I can and, spread the wealth. H-bar. I don't need to do that one. I already have H-bar. So H-bars already came to the automatic rally. Sorry. How far do you think Algo will pull back? We'll go back and look at that. You said 35K could hit. If that happens, I could sell all of my crypto and then rebuy after the drop. Okay, so what I will be doing, I can't tell you what to do, my friend, but what I will be doing is getting rid of 30 to 50% of my portfolio at the 0.5 Fibonacci. And if she wants to go to the 702, which for Bitcoin would be about 48,000, I'll be getting rid of 50% to 70%, depending on what the particular asset is. And then once we redrop back to around 25,000, 30,000, back again, whatever the case is, 25, 23, whatever, somewhere in there, I'm going to start dollar cost averaging in heavy. So if you think, say you had $100, right? And I would split that up over a couple different purchases when we get back into those levels, so you don't just ape it. All right, so we've already passed the automatic rally. We're gravitating on H bar to the 236. If H bar just wants to retrace 15 cents, the maximum retracement level on H bar 19 cents. H bar has more fundamentals than almost any other cryptocurrency, in my opinion. It's in my top 3. If there's any coin that I believe is going to go to parabolic levels, I think H bar is one of them. That being said, even though I believe in it, guess what? I'm still going to be taking profit at the 0.5 at 14.7 cents or 15 cents, and I'm still going to be taking profit at 19 cents. Even though this is my top 3 and I think it's going to go absolutely parabolic, I still will be taking profit at the 0.5 and the 702. Now, this isn't the right H bar. Halt that. This is not the right H bar chart. This is the right H bar chart. And I have it right here to the 888. That is the automatic rally, what we are gravitating towards. Scratch everything I just said. The 0.5 Fibonacci on H bar is 30 cents. I need to delete that other one. 702 is 41 cents. Again, I will be taking profit here, even though I think H bar will go absolutely parabolic. If H bar wants to go absolutely parabolic, the maximum level is $1.98. Even so, I'll be taking profit at the 2618 at 142. I'll be taking profit at the 1618, which is 888. 888. So anywhere between $1 and $2 is where I think parabolically where H bar is going to go. And if it's at that level, I'm perfectly fine DCAing out. $1 to $2. All right, Shiba is next. And then we got, will Pulse Chain launch? I think Pulse Chain is going to launch in the bull market because that's conveniently how it tends to go. So Pulse Chain launches. Richard Hart's a smart guy. He's a TA guy, even though he doesn't like really advertise it. He does TA. He probably will launch Pulse Chain right at the spring, if I had to guess. Right at the spring into the next bull market is when Pulse Chain will probably get launched. QNT to the moon. I got a $1,400 price target for QNT. Big picture, QNT could literally be, I'm talking decades from now, it could be freaking $10,000. If there's time, do you mind taking a look at Filecoin? I don't mind. Filecoin's on deck. We got 0 in the hole, so if you want something, put it in the chat, because I'm going to be live streaming for at least another hour, trying to get some good quality information to you guys. What about Solana? There you go. Solana's in the hole. Shiba is next. Bro, Shiba is one of my most famous shorts on YouTube. And because I said it like I don't think this thing's going to $1 because that's almost impossible. Bro, you would have thought that I called these people's mother a bad name. What in the world? You would have thought I called their mother a horrible name. Okay? Now we're getting close to the automatic rally on Shiba. I think Shiba is going to pump, by the way. I have realistic price targets based on Fibonacci retracements. All right, so the automatic rally is... Fuck, I can't even see. Quad 017, which from current price is another 41%. And from the bottom is a 122%. Now, if Shiba just wants to retrace, you're looking at quad 046, which from current price is a 3x, and from the bottom is a 5x. Like, let me know where you can get a 5x on a freaking on a retracement. The maximum retracement would be quad 062, which from the bottom is a almost 7x. Now, if Shiba wants to go absolutely parabolic, I think that the max, and I'm just going to say the max, like the absolute crazy, some celebrity is pumping it, like bigger than like Andrew Tate or Elon Musk, or somebody is pumping it like crazy. The max, Lambo Wick for Shiba Inu, in my opinion, based off of Fibonacci retracements. The next bull run, who knows, 10 years, 20 years, who knows what it could be. But the next bull run, 00034, which is over so like literally I said, oh, I think it's going to go between a 23 and a 27x, and they thought that YouTube video, they were like acting like I called their mother a poor name. GRT, I think I just did GRT. Yeah, I did GRT already. $9.42 maximum parabolic level. All right, 0003 for Shiba. Filecoin XRP is in the hole. ICP's first. Sorry, guys. Yeah, we just got subscribers on TikTok. So if you guys want to subscribe, you will get priority on these little live streams. I'm going to be live streaming at least 5 times a week is where I'm going to be live streaming. So if you guys want to subscribe here, help support me, you'll get priority. You'll get access to my portfolio, buy, sell alerts, direct messaging, all of that jazz. So if you want to support me and get priority on these streams, go ahead, subscribe right here. The little star at the bottom. All right. What are we at? Filecoin. Filecoin. I just did this one too. Let me make sure I get the right chart. Okay, cool. Cool. All right. End of March. Solana is on deck, my friend. So it's Filecoin currently. Solana's on decks. ICP in the hole. XRP after that. $18 for the automatic rally. The retracement level for Filecoin would be $100 on the nose. I would take profit here for sure. I would probably take profit at like $88 just because 100 is such a psychological level that the market makers are definitely going to be having a sell wall there. If the maximum retracement on Filecoin would be $140, and if she wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction is $708 for Filecoin. All All right, Solana up next. ICP on deck and XRP in the hole. All right. Solana. What I buy better, Gala, GRT in 2025? Probably Gala. I can't tell you what to buy, but I like Gala better. And Gala has a freaking cult-like following. And that's really important, honestly. The community is going to pump it up a little bit beyond. Like, you can get some Lambo wicks off of a crazy community. All right, we're getting pretty close to the automatic rally on Solana here. This is a good place to de-risk a little bit. If you were accumulating down here, look at that. That's a spring if I ever saw one. If you're accumulating in this range, I hope you were, on Solana, from the bottom, you're up 231%. This is a good place to de-risk, in my opinion. Now, my soft rule is anytime I double, aka a 1x, 100%, take a minimum of 5% off the table. If I don't believe in it, take 10, 20% off the table. Okay? You want to lock in some profits. Not financial advice. If Solana just wants to retrace $131, the maximum retracement level on Solana would be $179. And if Solana wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, there it is. Isn't that funny? It just keeps showing up. $888. If you guys don't know, 8 equals money. 8 equals money. Now, downside targets, Solana will probably $15.35 if you love Solana. Anything under $17 would be a good place to stack your position in addition to your dollar cost averaging of what you buy every week, every month. All right. What did I say that was? 888. That's right. ICP next. XRP on deck. Now I'm waiting. Yeah, man, that's why. So let me just say this. I'm going to read your thing out loud because this is a good topic right here. I wanted to start DCA at $10, but I was worried. Now I'm waiting. And that's the thing about dollar cost averaging, why it's so powerful. It takes the emotions out of the equation. And that's what you want. Really, you want to automate it. You want to pick something like I use Coinbase and Uphold. I don't store my crypto there, but I use the exchange to exchange my US dollar into crypto, and they automatically buy every single week. Because what you want to do, this is the thing that rich people do. They take as many decisions off of their table as they possibly can. Okay? I don't love Solana, but if you do, you should dollar cost average. I like HBAR much more. But if that's your coin, the best strategy is to dollar cost average every single week. And when you do that, you won't be left waiting in the dust. And you could have, if you would have been dollar cost averaging, let's just say like at the worst times over the last 70 days, you'd be up 72% right now. And that's how crypto is, as you can see right here, too. Just sideways and grueling for 200 days. That's how crypto moves. Sideways and grueling, and then it rips. Sideways and grueling, and then it rips. And guess what? Before it rips, there is no memos that are put out. ICP. They won't warn you. All right, ICP automatic rally $9.75. That's why I always advocate for um, dollar cost average, because it takes your emotions out of the equation. Okay, there's not very many people who are emotionally in a place where they can just buy and sell at the right times. Like I would say 0.0001% of people. So that's why dollar cost averaging is the best strategy. That is what I do. And then I swing trade on top of that. But I don't just sit here and day trade 6, 7, 12 times a day. That's not what I do. I wait for setups, make orders, and then once I have profit, I sell. But mostly 90% of what I do is dollar cost average, purely off of sentiment. I go really heavy when people are like freaking out like they were on FTX. And then when people start getting euphoric, I start dollar cost averaging out. When regular people that I know were not into crypto are now into crypto, that's when I start getting out of crypto. All right. ICP, automatic rally, $44. The retracement level is $44. The maximum retracement level, $60 and 42 cents. If ICP wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $301. Now I know you have all this, but I never count stuff like this as far as charts go. Like when I see stuff like this, I don't count that in the Fibonacci pool. All right, so it's possible that it goes like really crazy. I would say that would be insane actually. Like the max would be like 620, but I don't think that that's likely. All right, so now, what was that I say? 300. XRP is up next. VRA on deck. And nothing in the hole. All right. It's a big ask. What do you recommend? Top 3. Top 3. XRP, QNT, HBAR. Top 5, you would add Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, Bitcoin and Ethereum are not going to make crazy gains. However, they're going to have more downside protection. Matic Polygon, you're in the hole. I got you, my friend. So the first 3 rules of investing are: do not lose money. Rule number 1. Rule number 2 is see rule number 1. And rule number 3 is to see rule number 2. Okay? Those are the first 3 rules of investing, and that's why I include Bitcoin and Ethereum, because of downside protection. Matic, Algo. Matic and Algo are in my top 10. Major partnerships with Matic for sure. All right, XRP. XRP, if you guys don't know, is my number 1 holding. My biggest bag. The biggest bag, and I have 2 Fibonacci's because we had a black swan in XRP, and that's why we didn't make new all-time highs. And looky here, like if you look at this is why I say this. My biggest holding, guess what? The one that I'm the most bullish on off of fundamentals, economics, partnerships, guess what? They did not make new all-time highs. See this? They went to the 0.5 level. That's why I always advocate for taking profits here, here, and here. Now, this is a black swan event. It got stopped out in the middle of the bear market by the SEC. Okay? So I don't think that this is going to happen again, but guess what? I'll be taking profit just in case. All right. Automatic rally. For XRP, you're looking at 53 cents. Once it gets daily closes above 53 cents, that's when you can start sounding the alarms on XRP, in my opinion. If she just wants to retrace bearishly, it'd be $1.13. The maximum retracement bearishly would be $1.46. And the bearish... Uh-oh. My light died. All right, the bearish pull on XRP is $6.19, the bearish parabolic. Now, the maximum parabolic level for XRP is $11.74. If she wants to go absolutely crazy in 2025, $13.75. I personally will be taking profit at 88 cents. I will be taking profit at $1.40 at the all-time high. The previous all-time high of $1.92. I'll be taking profit at the all-time high of $3.42. And then beyond that, I'll be DCing out from $5 as high as $12. I'll have all except for my forever bag will be gone at $12. That's how I'm going to be playing that one. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. APT 14. All right. $3D. They're freaking delicious, you guys. VRA. I just did VRA yesterday, but we'll do it again. We'll do it again. Oh, if I did it yesterday, I don't need to make a new chart. You guys love some VRA. Which chart did I do? All right, automatic rally. Like, we're getting pretty damn close to it. Like, again, between this and this is potato. So if you're up major, if you were a diamond hand and you were dollar cost averaging, forget what everybody else says, and you're up 165%, this is a good place to de-risk, in my opinion. Because you're chasing another 5%, which is nothing. Because this thing will, at some point, retrace back, which will probably be back here to the 0045 level. Automatic rally, if I didn't say it, I don't think I said it, 0082. But right here, I mean, it's potato. You're basically at the same thing. I would de-risk here if I were holding this coin at least 5 or 10%. Now, if she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 4.2 cents. The maximum retracement for VRA is 5.8 cents. And if VRA wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction is 29 cents. Which is the same thing that I concluded yesterday. All right. So we got Poly, and then APT 14 is on deck, and there is nothing in the hole. So if you want to get on in the hole, ENS is in the hole. All right. Polygon's in my top 10. Major partnerships, Disney, Coca-Cola, they're the real deal, in my opinion. Also solves a real world problem. Ethereum merge will not, has not, and never will solve the gas fees. So it is vital that something does that. Optimism is a good solution, as well as Matic Layer 2. It's like Inception, the movie Inception. Each layer of the dream you go down, you have more time. It's the same thing. Each layer of the transactions you go down, you have more time to complete them, so you can get more transactions done for cheaper. That's how I'd explain what Polygon is. In a nutshell, where the hell is Polygon, though? I know I have it on here. By the way, Polygon has been one of the highest performers this bear market. Let me take a look. Either one. Ethereum name service, AAVE, Aave, sorry, hurt me the most, but still believe in them both. Yeah, man, just dollar cost average on whatever you believe in. I think Aave is decent. Ethereum name service is pretty good. It'd be a low cap gem in my opinion. All right. So this is like a beautiful chart, by the way. Came up, had like a little spring here, has a huge cluster of trading at the 236, came up to the 382 at $1.28. Current price on Matic is 99 cents. Now, we've done a lot of the moves already, so that's something to keep in mind. Likely going to backtest back here to the 2-3 cents. Could be as low as 77 cents would probably be the lowest that this thing's probably going to go again. Now, automatic rally, the max of that, or the minimum of that would be retracement level. Jesus. The retracement level would be $1.56. Beyond that, the maximum retracement level would be $2.06. If Polygon wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction is $9.20. Like I said, I think Polygon's had a lot of the moves already. But downside protection on Polygon, I think, is very good. $9. What did I say? All right, APT14, and then Ethereum name is on deck, and there is nothing in the hole. Thank you for the likes. Make sure you guys are smashing that like button. What platform do you DCA? I have three main ones that I use to DCA, and I never hold more than $1,000 on any exchange, and then I send them to my ledger. That's what I do. And the crypto exchanges that I use are Binance, Coinbase, and Uphold. I've used Crow in the past. Crow is decent. I don't have a problem with Crow. But they started freezing withdrawals at one point in the bear market, so I stopped using them. I love them in the bull market. They had all these APYs with the cards. It was amazing. But they quit doing all that stuff. So I don't use Crow currently. I have in the past. I love them in the past. But currently in the bear market, I'm using Coinbase. Uphold, and Binance. Mainly Binance and Uphold is where I'm buying my stuff. Really, the only thing I'm using Coinbase for is to load USDC. I talked about this in the live stream yesterday, but I'll just tell you guys real quick. Currently, on Coinbase, there is 4% cash back on the card. I'll show you guys. So they give you like a little Coinbase card. Make sure I don't show you guys any any of my numbers. All right, so you got like a little Coinbase card here. I load this up with a ACH transaction, which is free. It says it takes 3 days to get there, but it's ready right away. It says it takes 3 business days, but I tested it. I loaded it up and used it 10 minutes later. I didn't have USDC on it at the time, and I loaded it up, and it worked fine. But I used that to get 4% cash back in Stellar XLM. So I'm currently, all my regular spending stuff, I'm loading that up with USDC via ACH transaction from my bank. And I'm buying my food, my groceries, my gas, any normal expenses that I have. That's what I'm using. So that's really the main thing that I use Coinbase for. And if Binance is being wonky about a withdrawal, I'll use them for HBAR. If I think really the main thing that I use Coinbase for is if I need fiat immediately. That's what I use Coinbase for. I send the USDC to Coinbase if I need fiat immediately, because you can just spend USDC, and that's what I do. So those are the three main ones that I use, but in reality, Binance and Uphold are really the main ones that I... Why isn't Coinbase listed VeChain? Coinbase is weird, man. Like, that's why I don't really use them to buy stuff. I use them to spend fiat. When I'm... when I need fiat from crypto, that's what I use Coinbase for. But probably, like, more elaborate coins you'll find on, like, Binance and on Uphold and on Crow sometimes. But those are the main ones that I use. I use a couple other things, but not for DCAing. I use BingX for trading. BingX right here. I'm actually affiliated with them, but I've never even listed my link. So if I were to list my link, I would get an affiliation from that. But I want to fully vet it before I do that. Make sure I have no issues withdrawing over the course of months and months before I ever put my name on anything. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm testing, as you can see right here. Here's a link that I have. BingX is what I'm testing right now. And I'm never ever going to put my name on it until it's fully vetted. But I am affiliated with BingX, but I'm not putting my link out until I can fully verify that it's good, the withdrawals are solid, the trades are good, all that. Because I never, ever want to put my name on anything that I don't believe in. That is my goal. But they have reached out to me, so I'm testing them right now. So that's what I use for trading, and then Uphold is what I use for accumulation, and Binance is what I use for accumulation. XLM, I got you, my friend. But yeah, that's Coinbase. I'm getting 4% cash back on regular stuff that I already buy. Which for me, I have a big family and I use a lot of gas, so I'm spending at least $2,000 just on like regular stuff every month. So that's like 50 bucks, somewhere in the neighborhood of there, per month in XLM for free. So like, you can't beat that. We got APT14. Alright, I don't know what that is. I don't have that on here. So, Sadhu, if you want to put, maybe you had a misspelling, or if you have a different coin, we'll do that. But that is not on there. So right now, currently, we have ENS, and then XLM is on deck. And there is nothing currently in the hole. So if you guys want to get in the hole, go ahead. Put your coin. Near is in the hole. Near is in the hole. Can you do Crow? I got you. Coca-Cola. No problemo. Alright. What do we got? ENS. I know she's on here. Look at all these coins you guys got. 14888 on ENS. Automatic rally point. We're pretty much here. This is the automatic rally. Greetings from Italy. Greetings. I've been to Italy before. I enjoyed it. I didn't stay that much. I've been to Italy, Spain, Germany. Been all over Europe. XNC. Got you. Write that down. All right. This is a good place to take a little bit off the table. I know you're down big, but it's up 44%. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at $34. That would be a good place to de-risk for sure. The 702 retracement would be $46. I would definitely de-risk there. If ENS wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $211 would be the maximum. I would take profit there. Oh, I'd leave a little bit for there, but mostly I'd be out by $155. I would start dollar cost averaging out anything over $90 on ENS. Outside of your like regular retracement level, getting rid of MLK. I have a dream. All right. What was that? 211. XLM is next. Near is on deck. Crow is in the hole. XNC after that. MLK after that. All right. I think I have a 20x projection for XLM off the top of my head. That's why I'm like using it. I mean, I like XRP better, but I think XLM is good too. In reality, XLM, XRP, they trade one and the same. Richard, thank you for the rose. I appreciate that. They trade one and the same. And also, people think that XLM is a hedge against XRP. I don't think that, because if XRP loses the case, then guess who is next? XLM is. So that's not what I believe. It's just like you like one or the other. Or in my case, I have both because I'm getting free XLM on cash back from Coinbase. Cosmos, AMP. Got you. Cosmos, AMP. Make sure. All right. Cosmos and AMP is after MLK. All right. Start cranking through these. What do we got here? So automatic rally is the 200-week moving average. Automatic rally be 15 cents. The retracement level on XLM is 40 cents. If XLM, the maximum retracement level would be 56 cents. XCN. Okay. If XLM wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, my price prediction is $2.80. Hey guys, check. Dude, you guys want to know something crazy? Let's just say that this thing just retraces, right? Well, that's no fun. 6x. All right, let's say it goes to the 1618. 15x. Basically, everything that I'm spending on my Coinbase card right now is going to be like 100% cash back in the bull market. So basically, everything that I'm spending right now is free money. if I get that back, so that's my price prediction. Just signed up for the Coinbase card. Thanks. They have other stuff too. I believe there's like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polygon. Like there's all kinds of different ones, but that's the highest. That's the highest one APY percentage, XLM 4%. Yeah, that's right. XLM 4%, and I have a 15 to 20. I think it's like I have a 30x maximum price target for XLM. 37x maximum price target. If you just get to the 2618, which is like a parabolic level, but it's not like a crazy parabolic level for crypto, that's a 27x, which would be everything that I'm spending on food and gas right now would be free. Macro. That'd be a good video. Like, oh, how I live for free for a whole year. That'd be a good YouTube video. All right. XLM, we had $2.80. Near is next. Crow is on deck. XCN is in the hole. After that, MLK, Cosmos, AMP. And let's make sure I didn't. Bro, love your content, homie. Thank you. I appreciate that. I'm just trying to add value. Add as much value as I possibly can. That's my goal. I want to be your one-stop crypto shop for entertainment, education, price targets, technical analysis, how-tos, and the wealth mindset. I want to be your one-stop shop. So that's my goal. What is de-risking? I have no idea. Oh, de-risking. I'm sorry. I'm dyslexic, I guess. De-risking. What is de-risking? This is a good one. De-risking is when you take your risk out of the market. So, like, it's a risk to buy anything. Ski, you Browns fan, but I say who dey. Hey man, I'm pulling for them. Hopefully they come through just for Ohio. You know what I'm saying? De-risking, everything is a risk. Life is a risk, okay? But if you're accumulating down here in these levels, let's say the average, let's do a little array right here. Just so if you were accumulating this average right here, this average price of 11 cents, call it, okay? And then she goes on a parabolic rise to 39 cents, which would be, you know, a 3x. A de-risk that play that you could do. So you have a 3x, you could take one of your x's out. Okay? You only need one x. So you have a 3x, so you take 33% profit. That would be a 100% de-risk because none of your money is in this. Now you're playing with house money for the moon bag, so you can afford to let it ride a lot further because you have no money from you that is actually on the table. So now you're letting it ride as high as possible. So you are not risking any of your own money anymore. So when I say de-risk, that's what I'm saying. Taking profits is what it means. Taking your risk so you're not so over leveraged and over risked that you're like freaking out every little 5 or 10% to the downside. That is how you avoid that. If you de-risk, you don't have to worry about 5% dips. In fact, you like them because you can accumulate more. Did you ever say an XRP target video? I just did XRP, and I did. You missed my whole XRP breakdown, but $12 is the max. I'll be dollar cost averaging out heavy anywhere between $5 to $12. Anywhere in there, I hope to be all but my forever bag gone out of XRP by $12. Do you keep your XLM rewards or convert them? No, I just keep them because I like XLM. It's fine. Give us render. I got you. Thoughts on Gala? Render. Gala. All right. Did I finish Near? No. Near is next. So we got Near, Crow, XCN, and then MLK. All right, near is getting pretty close to the automatic rally. So when I say de-risk, at some point, like, things don't just go forever. Like when you see this right here, when you see a straight moonshot like this, if you see it one way, for every up there is a down. For every yin there is a yang. So when you see a straight shot up, guess what? There's a straight shot down. And that's how that goes. So you just have to keep that in your mind. That's why I'm always talking about de-risking. $2.85 is the automatic rally. We're getting pretty close to there. If you've been accumulating near around this spot, this would be a good place to take a little bit off the table. 69. 69.69. Oh, trophy. All right. The retracement level for near $10.18. I would take profit here. The maximum retracement level would be $14. Again, I would take a good bit of profit here because 90% of all cryptocurrencies will not make new all-time highs. If it doesn't make a new all-time high, that's as high as it will go, possibly. Now, the maximum parabolic level for near would be $67.52. Is this TradingView? This is TradingView. XRP Fibonacci is max $10 in case ends. They will probably hit $100. I could see XRP hitting 100. Uh-oh. You guys gotta let me know when my camera goes off. I could see XRP hitting $100 over like, you know, a decade, but I don't see it. I don't see it hitting that, you know, the next bull run. Hey, Ski. Hey. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. You do. Uh-oh. Yeah, just let me know if my camera goes off. I can only record for like 30 minutes before I have to reset it. It's kind of annoying. So what we got? We got Crow. Coca-Cola. Yeah, this is TradingView, guys. Where is Crow? Why do I scroll? Where's my chart? Oh, here it is. All right. Crow. Slay, Ski, slay. Damn it. There's no slaying until I get my camera situated. Alright. So we're getting pretty close to this first little target level that I have at 8.04 cents. The automatic rally, you're looking at 10 cents. If Crow just wants to retrace, which again, 90% of all cryptocurrencies will not make new all-time highs. They will only retrace 51 cents. Loop ring, I got you, my friend. 702, 69 cents. Nice. Now, if Crow wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, price prediction is $3.33. If you guys are into astrology, this is a Saturn coin. So that would make sense that $3.33. $3.33 for Crow. You guys remember what I said for near? I didn't write that down. All right, so we got Exian up next, MLK on deck, Cosmos in the hole. After that, Amp and Render, Gala, Loop Ring. Loop ring. All right, XCN. Not a beautiful chart. You don't like to see. I did Filecoin already, brother. Let's see. I wrote it down. 108 is the maximum parabolic level. 108. You don't like to see. Not a lot of chart data for this thing. Uh-oh. I don't think I've ever streamed this long, you guys. Alright. Well, let's see. You don't like to see that, though. Alright, automatic rally on this thing, 2.6 cents. I'm sorry. Yeah, 2.6 cents. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at 9 cents. The maximum retracement level for XCN, 12 cents. If XCN wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, 60 cents. Let's write that down. XCN 60. MLK, I have a dream. MLK. Not a lot of chart data for this one. This is in the South Korean won, so I mean I can pull a fib off of it, but I don't, you know what I mean? I don't know if you want to convert it later. Here we go. MLK. Getting pretty close to the automatic rally here. Yeah, like potato between where we're at. Well, I guess we just wicked up there. It's not really the bodies up there. Automatic rally. We did wick, though. We did hit it. 56 cents. If she just wants to retrace, you're looking at $1.77. The maximum retracement level, $2.41. In 2025, if MLK wants to go absolutely parabolic, $11.69. MLK has a dream, and it's $11.69. Best Uber driver in Nashville. Can't tell him that. All right. What is next? We got Cosmos next. Amp on deck. Render in the hole. Gala after that. Loop ring after that. Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything? Did I miss anything? Nope. All right. Cosmos. Wanda and Cosmos. Yeah, we've already gotten past the automatic rally. We're actually getting to the 236 at $13.93. Now, the retracement level on this thing would be $23.73. The maximum retracement level would be $31.52. The maximum parabolic for Cosmos would be $139.31. Now, downside for this one, probably come back test $10.82. How do you feel about the privacy dash Monero? I heard Litecoin trying to go that direction. Litecoin needs to do something, man. Because, like, what is Litecoin? Like, what is it for? You know what I mean? It's just there. It's just like, okay, you forked from Bitcoin. It's not even a meme. It's like a meme coin, but it's not even, there's no memes. Um, I think the best privacy is Monero, personally. But I like Dash too because Dash has less supply than Bitcoin. I think there's 14 million Dash. Don't quote me on that. What in the world is up with this coin market cap? Why is it being all weird? Oh, helium pump back into the. Anyways, I think it's 14 million. I gotta fix my damn coin market cap. I don't know what's up with it. SPX 500. All right, got you, my friend. All right, what are we on here? Cosmos. I did Cosmos. Yeah. Right, $143. Yep. Let me write that down. Okay, next. AMP, Render, and then Gala. Automatic rally 0075. Retracement level 2 cents. Maximum retracement level 2.7 cents. If she wants to go absolutely parabolic, 2025, 12 cents for AMP. Hey, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Meg Aaron 77. Appreciate that. All right. So now we got Render up next. Gala on deck. Loop ring in the hole. VRA $1 case study and new partnership. My man left, did some studying, and came back and dropped some knowledge on the chat. You love to see it. All right. Fetch AI. Got you, my friend. AI. What are we on? Render. All right, current price of 8.3 cents on Render. Automatic rally, $1.11. Did I say that right? I'm sorry, 83 cents. 84 cents now on Render. I said 8.3. 83 cents when I started, now 84 cents. All right, retracement level for Render would be $3.98. The maximum retracement level would be $5.60. If Render wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, the max Lambo Wick, $27.27. Gala is next. Loop ring on deck. SPX 500 in the hole. Fetch AI. How long has the life been going? Oh, you mean the live stream? How long has the life been going? 1 hour and 44 minutes and 14 seconds. Yep, Gala is next. I did Algo already. Let me look real quick. I got all these coins. $8.88 was the maximum parabolic level on Algo. Have no fear, my friend, because I can download these, and I will be posting this whole live stream on my YouTube channel either today or tomorrow. Probably today. Probably when I get done, I'm actually going to download this, post the whole thing on YouTube. So have no fear. You can go back, watch it, take notes. And I'll be clipping up all these on TikTok or the highlights on TikTok as well. So have no fear, because I'm making progress over here. What's the YouTube? My YouTube channel is in my description. It's at your boy Ski on everything. That is me on Instagram. That is me on TikTok. That is me on YouTube. I'm at Gajewski on Twitter. By the way, there's a lot of scammers who impersonate me. There's only one TikTok that I have, and it is this one. I only have one YouTube. It's at your boy Ski. All my links are in my description. Hi, can you do EGLD? I got you, my friend. Bro, we got like hella coins that I've done during this live stream. You guys like these like really long live streams? I think that the majority of my content, actually, like 80% of my content moving forward is going to come from live streams. I think that I'm going to do live streams a lot more and have the majority of my content come from that. And then just clip all that up. Post the long videos on YouTube, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, I think they're dope. I appreciate that. Keep it up, man. When do you usually live stream? Whenever I have like 30 minutes. That's when I live stream. I'm going to try to get on schedule. Maybe about this time would probably be a good time, like after dinner or something. And then maybe like Saturday mornings or something like that during the Fetch AI. I got you. We're on Gala right now. It's Gala, Loop Ring, SPX 500, and then it's Fetch AI. Then it is... I need to make a new list because I'm out of space over here. Gala... SPX 500, Fetch AI, then ELGD is 5th. By the way, if you guys subscribe on here, you will get priority on these live streams. So I'm going to be live streaming at least 5 days per week. Do you think we're creeping into the bull market? I did a full TA on Wyckoff at the beginning of this live stream, but I will quickly recap for you. Currently, we are... Okay. The bottom is in, okay? The bottom is in. For sure. I called that. I have video evidence. I came out here the day that FTX collapsed and everyone's wife's boyfriend said it was going to 12K to 10K. I made videos. I live streamed and I said that the bottom was in. And because it wicked a little bit lower, but it didn't body close lower, people are like, oh, see, bro? Haha. But the bottom is in. The bottom is in. But just because the bottom is in doesn't mean that the bull market has started. What I think is going to happen is at some point we're going to retrace to the 0.5 level to the 702s on Bitcoin, which is 38,000 to 48,000. Somewhere in there in 2023 is where we're going to go. That's where we're going to go in 2023. Damn. And 2023, that's where we're going to go. And I lost my train of thought. Oh, people are going to say that the bull market is back on. We're going to the Mars. We're going to wherever. I'm going to go ahead and get off at the moon because this thing's going to come right back down to Earth at 25,000 somewhere in there, 27 to 22,000. It's going to come back test. Let me just show you this. It's going to come back test that before then going off and away at the beginning of 2024, middle of 2024. That will be when the actual bull market will start. But there's lots of profits to be had on the retracement. But it's a very, very, very good place to de-risk any cryptocurrencies that you feel iffy about. When you see Bitcoin at 35,000, 38,000, that's a good place to get out of it. All right. Okay, Gala. Automatic rally right here. We're like potato. It's already up. In my opinion, if you were accumulating down here, hopefully you were 333% to the upside. Like, please. If you 3x, just take one of those X's out. So you're playing with house monies and let it ride to the literal moon. Okay? Take a little profit. Now, Gala wants to retrace 42 cents. The maximum retracement level for Gala would be 59 cents. I would take profit here. If Gala wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $3.02. Fonzie, by the way, if you watch the full live stream later on YouTube, I go really deep and I show the charts on Wyckoff on that. So, and it's in the very beginning of the live stream. I go really, really deep on that. Can you stake XLM? You can. You can stake it on Coinbase. And I'm using Coinbase as well to get cash back on my card. I get 4% cash back just with my regular expenses. All right, moving along. Gala, $3. Loopring, SPX, 500, Fetch AI, ELGD, and yeah, we'll probably call it good. We're creeping up on 2 hours after we do EGLD. Creeping up on 2 hours on this live stream, and my lights are dying. I'm sure you'll check it out for sure. I wish I got in sooner. I know I'm asking questions you went over already. That's okay. It's what I'm here for. I want to be your one-stop crypto shop for entertainment, TA, price predictions, Wyckoff, how to. I want to be your one-stop crypto shop. Not just crypto, too. Like, by the way, you guys, I know a lot about silver. I am a silver stacker. I have rental properties. I am an investor is what I am. But cryptocurrency is the one that has the most upside in the short term, in my opinion. All right. Loopring automatic rally, 54 cents. Retracement for Loopring, $1.86. If she wants to go absolutely, nope, that's a lie. The maximum retracement level will be $2.54, and the maximum parabolic level, $12.40. I just listed my house for rent. That is the way, my man. Like, I tell people all the time, they're like, "Oh, I got $70,000 in equity. I have $100,000 in equity." It's like, bro, they're like wanting to sell it and stuff. It's like, where are you going to go? They printed $7 trillion last year. They did not print any more land. There's no more land. The land that we have is the land that we have. And when you ask your grandparents, and they're like, you know, if your grandparents have property, you ask them how much they paid for it. They bought it for a bag of peanuts and a jar of pickles. And no matter when you buy real estate, when you pay it off in 30 years, it will look like you bought it for a jar of peanuts and a bag of pickles. Don't buy a bag of pickles. That would be terrible. All right. SPX 500. I am an investor. Is today the day that I make a deal? Literally, that is a mantra that I have wrote down, and I say it every day 3 times. in the morning. I am an investor. Is today the day that I make a deal? I am an investor. Is today the day that I make a deal? SPX 500. Is this not crypto? This is what is this? A future? So you're gonna have to make me like. All right, downside for this would be back to the 236. It looks like we're in a downtrend, a pretty clear downtrend. Like if you were to put trend lines on that, like that is pretty damn clean. So gravitating towards even to the 200-week moving average at $3,667 on a downtrend, for sure. The 0.5 level, it already hit, but it would be 4,141. 702 would be 4,399. This thing is gonna like this isn't a crypto, so it doesn't move the same way. This is the S&P. Yeah. If I pulled up the regular S&P, I'll do a regular TA on the regular S&P at another time, because I think that that bubble has popped. By the way, if you see Congress pass a bill that says they can no longer own individual stocks, if they pass it for real, like at the Senate level, it's time to get the hell out of the market, because that is the top. The Federal Reserve banned themselves from owning stocks at the literal top. So if you see that, Vitalik sold Ethereum at the literal top. If you see the people that are running the show selling, that is a huge indicator for you. Buy, sell, bro. That's what's up. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I first saw it, my brain was in crypto. So I'm like, what in the world? This thing looks like the stock market. It turns out it is. It's the S&P 500. I'll do a full breakdown on the S&P, because that's gonna take a full video in my opinion. So I'll make a video for you on that. Let me make a note of that. Breakdown. All right, my lights are struggling. Fetch AI. Thank you for the roses. I appreciate that. This is the main thing to keep in mind, you guys. 1 acre of land equals 1 acre of land. 1 ounce of silver equals 1 ounce of silver. Damn it, my light is dead. She's struggling. Alright, what we're going to do is... Yeah, we don't have any lights, so that's that. My lights are dead. 1 ounce of silver is 1 ounce of silver. 1 Bitcoin equals 1 Bitcoin. Okay? Over the course of time, $1 does not equal $1. Okay? Since 1971, we have lost 96% of our purchasing power. So when you understand that $1 does not equal $1, but 1 Bitcoin does in fact equal 1 Bitcoin. 1 ounce of silver does in fact equal 1 ounce of silver. 1 acre of land does in fact equal 1 acre of land. That is the aha moment. You shouldn't be scared of losing dollars. You need to figure out how to acquire real assets. Okay, we've already like busted through Fetch AI, like just crazy run here. 250% to the upside. We're headed like straight for the 0.5 level at 46 cents. We're probably going to back test the 236 at some point at 25 cents. Thank you for the roses. I appreciate that. The maximum retracement level for Fetch.ai would be 62 cents. If Fetch.ai wants to go absolutely parabolic in 2025, $3. All right. We're going to do one more, and that's ELGD. And then I will be on live probably, I'm going to be on live about 6 o'clock tomorrow, we'll say. 5 or 6, somewhere in there. 5 or 6, sometime between there tomorrow, I'll be online. This whole live stream, 2 hours and 22 seconds now, will be on YouTube in a couple of hours. So if you want to, I have over, I'm looking at the list here, it's at least probably 25 different coins that I went over. Thank you for the rose. 25 different coins that I went over. So that'll be all on there. I did the Wyckoff method with where we're at as far as the markets go. And I did a lot of how-tos, all that stuff. So that'll be all on YouTube in a couple of hours, maybe an hour or so. Thank you for the roses. I appreciate you. Pickle Rick, I appreciate you. Or Pickley. So last one, we're going to do ELGD, and then I'll be on the same time tomorrow. Like I said, guys, I'm going to be live streaming a lot more moving forward. So the first 5 subscribers, you're going to have access to my portfolio as far as my percentages, buy, sell, all of that. You'll have access to message me, and you will get directly, and you will get priority on these live streams. So the first 5 subscribers on that will get that little bonus. ELGD. GD. How often do you come on active? As far as like live streaming, is that what you mean? Is that the real Hinaki? What in the world? Did I type that in wrong? Maybe I'm retarded. Alright, this is not a good, G-Rod, thank you for the subscription. I appreciate you, my man. Thank you. So G-Rod is the first OG subscriber. Thank you. All right, so yeah, you guys are going to have access to my portfolio percentage. You can message me directly, and you will have priority on the live streams. So ELGD is a no-go. Sorry. So I don't even who said ELGD. Let me see. If you got another coin, Florin, type your coin now. I'll do that for you. Yes, live. So I'm going to be live streaming at least 4 times per week. My goal is 6, but the minimum that I'm going to be doing is 4 times per week, a minimum of an hour per time. 6 is the goal, 4 is the minimum. But it'll probably be around the same time, except on the weekends. The weekends will probably be the afternoon. Typically, I'm out working all night. So it'll be whenever I wake up. But most of the market is most of the movement happens on the you know, on the weekdays. Jesus. Yeah, Florin, if you want to put another coin in, you were here for a while, we'll do that, and then that'll be the last one. If not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Yep, well, I'll be on about 5 Eastern. No. I'm Central Time. I'll be on 5 to 6 Central Time. Sometime in there, I'll be on that tomorrow. All right, you guys, I appreciate you, every single one of you. I appreciate all of the likes, all of the gifts. Multiverse at the buzzer. All right, I got you. Ha! Bulls win! Bulls win! Multi. What's the ticker for that? Is this it right here? All right, cool. All right. Last one. And then this whole thing will be on YouTube in a couple of hours. All right. So we're gravitating to that 0.5 level. Like I said, not everything goes in a straight line. The 0.5 level Fibonacci retracement is $12.57. We're likely going to backtest at the 236 level, $7.73. The maximum retracement level, $16.76. Where we're at right now, if you wanted to de-risk, this would be a good place to do so, in my unprofessional opinion. Now, the maximum parabolic level for multi in 2025, $73.35. All right, you guys, this will be on YouTube very shortly. I will be live streaming tomorrow. I appreciate all of the likes, all of the roses, and I appreciate G-Rod for the subscription. Like I said, if you guys want to subscribe to the live stream, you will get priority on the on these live streams, as well access to my portfolio percentages, direct messages to me, all of that. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.